Heat print technology is commonly known for working with apparel basics such as cotton and cotton poly blends. But what a lot of apparel decorators don't know is that they have the capability with heat print technology to also apply onto heat sensitive fabrics such as tri-blends that incorporate rayon, and even some performance wear that incorporates Lycra or Spandex. It all comes down to knowing what product to use with these substrates. At Stahls, we offer a variety of heat transfers that not only work well with these specialty fabrics, but also feel great as well. Let's start with cad-cut Premium Plus. I'm going to start by loading on this performance tee and do a quick preheat to release any moisture or wrinkles. Now we can apply our cad-cut Premium Plus. Premium Plus is known for its low temp application at 280 degrees, and it really helps with performance wear because of that low temperature. All right, whenever you're working with heat sensitive fabrics such as spandex, you want something that's going to be low temp so that you're not scorching the fabric or getting a heat print box from the upper heating element. I'm going to cover with a cover sheet and apply for its full application, which is 12 seconds at a medium pressure. Premium Plus is a hot peel, so I can peel that carrier back as soon as it's done applying. And you'll notice that I'm being very careful as I'm peeling this carrier away, because Premium Plus is also known for its stretchability. It has a 4-way stretch, and when it's heated, it's easy to manipulate if you rip that carrier back right away. But Premium Plus has a soft, silky, matte finish, has a barely there feel on the substrate that you're applying to, whether that's spandex, cotton polyester. But that's why this feels so great on spandex, because it has that nice stretch and it bounces right back, all right? It moves with the fabric as opposed to cracking if it's stretched. Next up, we have Aqua True from Transfer Express. Aqua True is a water-based ink that is perfect for spandex or Lycra substrates. And I'm going to start by loading on this tank top here. And just as I did with the other garment, I'm going to preheat to release moisture and wrinkles. Now I can place my Aqua True. As I mentioned, Aqua True is a water-based ink, and it's also great for spot color. All right, spot color allows you to be able to match to certain colors that you need in a graphic. This doesn't require a cover sheet, so I can bring my press over and apply it for its full application. This is our lowest temp transfer, all right? So if you're looking for a transfer from Transfer Express, this has the lowest temp, all right? 275 degrees. As mentioned earlier, whenever you're working with these heat-sensitive fabrics, you need something that's low temp so that it's not scorching or putting a heat press mark on the garment. Aqua True is a hot peel, so I can peel that back as soon as it's done applying. Aqua True is also known for its amazing feel on Lycra and spandex. As I mentioned, this is a water-based ink, so it feels very soft and moves with the fabric. It has nice stretchability, and it also comes as a dye blocker. So keep that in mind if you're doing products that have polyester in them, such as this tank. It's a poly spandex mix. This is going to block any of those black dyes from coming through and turning this white ink gray. Let's move on to our full color digital media that is great for spandex. Before we apply, again, we want to preheat. With any heat transfer product, you want to make sure you're releasing any moisture or wrinkles in that fabric before applying your transfer. All right, this is our digital media, as I mentioned, that is great for polyester, spandex, Lycra, or any tri-blends. This is known as soft opaque. This is going to be your solution for these heat-sensitive fabrics that can be hard to heat apply whenever you are needing a digital media. All right, digital means full color so that you can achieve multiple colors in in one press, including gradients and any amount of color that you need. This one does need a cover sheet, so I am going to grab that and cover. Soft Opaque applies at a low 310 degrees for just 15 seconds at a medium pressure. It is a hot peel, so I can peel that carrier back right after it's done. And because this is a larger graphic, I'm going to move with the carrier as I'm peeling that back and hold it down so that it doesn't manipulate my design. What's great about Soft Opaque is it's 45 microns thin, right? That's about half of the thickness of your standard heat transfer vinyl. So it has an amazing feel on lightweight fabrics such as this spandex garment. All right, and it moves with the fabric just like the other ones do. All right, so it does have that stretch and rebound, doesn't crack whenever it's being stretched. To review, this is your one color solution, cad-cut Premium Plus. It comes in a variety of stock colors and is typically used for small runs ranging anywhere from 1 to 25 pieces. Next, we have Aqua True. This is a water-based ink that is your 1 to 3 color solution that you can achieve spot color with, and it's typically used for large runs such as 50+ applications. Lastly, we have Soft Opaque, which is your full color digital solution. For more tips and tricks on heat printing unique fabrics, subscribe to the Stahls TV YouTube channel.